Hi students, I'm Sonia from Vidya Guru, starting a new session on current affairs. This is going to be the third part for the month of May. So May 2025, the current affairs for the month of May 2025. Let's start the session because I don't want you to waste any time. The only thing I would like to mention that this session will remain in English medium. If you are not comfortable with the language, the Hindi session is also there in the playlist. You can go and watch that session. We record such sort of complete English medium sessions for our students who are in South India, for our students who are in Northeast India, like the students in Telangana, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, or maybe Manipur, Assam. Those who are not comfortable with Hindi, we record such sort of complete English medium sessions for them. Anyway, let's not waste the time. Let's start the session from here on. As you can see, the questions are there on your screen, right? India Updates is the title. That means we are going to deliver topic-wise current affairs. The questions will be many. Around 40 pointers will be taught today and you have to learn all of them. Try before I wrap up, you have learned all. If there is any concern, you can, switch on the subtitles as well. That option is there in YouTube, right? Let's start. So India Updates on your screen. First question, as you can see. First question is about INS Kilton. When you see IMDEX, where INS Kilton went to participate. From here onwards, I'll slow down a little. IMDEX, are we referring to International Maritime Exercise? Yes, that is what this exercise is. IMDEX Asia is basically the exercise in which India's INS Kilton, it is basically a ship which was actually, sent to Singapore to participate in this exercise. And please understand that when such measures are taken, when such things do take place, we are willing that our relations with Singapore, they have to be quite all right sort of. We are working towards making our relationship better with Singapore. So INS Kilton went to Singapore to take part in IMDEX, and I said it is IMDEX Asia. EX is always exercise, M is maritime, I is international here. It's not India, it is international. So I said when any kind of exercise takes place, it is important for you, mostly when India is taking part in it. So India sent its INS Kilton. What is INS Kilton? It is basically a stealth corvette. If you are not aware what corvette is basically a warship, a small warship which can hit at the people from inside only. It is a warship. So let me repeat, INS Kilton, a stealth corvette. INS Kilton, a stealth corvette, was sent to Singapore to take part in IMDEX Asia 2025. So I expect that I made myself clear. I want you to respond, but still I understand that it is not possible because it is not a session where you can also speak as it is a video, but you can just write it down at least that you've understood all the questions. Anyway, Grand Chess Tour title, don't learn it this way, try to learn it the way I'm asking you. Superbet Chess Classic Championship. Superbet Chess Classic Championship was taking place in Romania. Who won that? R. Pragnananda. So his first this title, and it is of course something important because any kind of first can be there in your exam. So R. Pragnananda is like all over these days, you know that. He is like a grandmaster. We all know him, that he is like an exemplary sort of best kind of player. We all know that. We are saying that R. Pragnananda for the very first time won Superbet Chess Classic Championship which was taking place in Romania. Did you get that? Next question. SAF. Nobody calls it South Asian Football Federation. Just to make you understand that, I have to speak like that because if it is under 19 championship which was going on, and if you are not aware what sport was being played there, it will be difficult for you, right? So I am explaining it that way, that SAF under 19 championship was going on. India won that. Penalty shootout was there, and in which India could retain the title. That means India was winning. Yes, it is India's 7th title, and by defeating Bangladesh, India could retain the title once again. Let me repeat. SAF under 19 championship, India won that by defeating Bangladesh. If you believe me, you have to understand the name of the winner. You have to learn the name of the runner-up as well, because such sort of championships where India performed well, the name of the runner-up, the country which got defeated by India, that becomes even more significant. Because at times they'll just give you this, the entire statement. They'll ask you the name of the runner-up country. So it will be difficult. That way it will be difficult. So learn the names not of the winners alone, but of the runner-ups also. The next question is 103 Amrit Bharat Station. So as in our country, everything is Amrit, 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 Amrit. These days, you know that. So Amrit Bharat Stations, 103 is the number. It is not 103rd. We are saying 103 railway stations. Amrit Bharat stations will be opened in 86 districts and 18 states and union territories. So this is the question, because Prime Minister himself will be inaugurating all. The amount they will be spending on it is going to be 1100 crores. I hope you've got that question. Let me make you revise all that. I said 103 Amrit Bharat railway stations will come up. 1100 crores is the outlay, budget, expenditure that the government will be spending on them. 86 districts will have these stations, 103. We can say that these 83 districts are in 18 states and union territories, right? Next question. 572 crores deal between Bharat Electronics Limited and our army. Yes, because anti-drone systems are required for the safety of the country. Anti-drone systems are required, and if we ourselves make them, India makes it, then it is of course a plus. So it says 572 crore deal with the army for indigenous anti-drone system by Bharat Electronics Limited. I hope you've got that. Let me make you revise. See, because if you skip this part, believe me, you won't be able to retain anything. So stick to it and don't increase the speed, because that is also, I really don't want you to do that, because consider it a normal class. Like a teacher is delivering a lecture and you cannot increase the speed of your teacher. But anyway, that's up to you. INS Kilton is a stealth corvette. Corvette is a warship. You need to know it even as a word, English word. So corvette is a warship. So we are saying Kilton is taking part in Singapore in IMDEX exercise, Asia Exercise 2025. Grand Chess Tour title, Superbet Chess Classic won by R. Pragnananda. SAF Football Under 19 Championship. India won that by defeating Bangladesh. It is India's 7th title. Like 7th time India was winning this title. 103 Amrit Bharat stations, railway stations will come up in 86 districts and 18 states and union territories. So districts are there, of course, in these states only. 572 crore deal with Army, Bharat Electronics Limited for indigenous. That means India will be making it. In India, they'll be made anti-drone system we are referring to. Let's move on to the next set of questions. With that, you know that I am not going to waste your time. Of course, I'll try my level best to give you all the questions straight away instead of narrating stories, long stories, which are at times not even meaningful, out of the entire story. Although those things, the conversational tone, of course, seems, very pleasant, but I give my best because I try to put in some energy also, that, just to make you learn all those questions so that you can also remain active throughout the session. Please learn the questions, and if you understand everything, do press the like button for sure. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel as well, because that's how you'll receive notifications of all the videos. As I was saying, that was India updates. Like under the national category, you can add all those points. International news are also that is also one of the topics that you have to study. So international topics, let's move ahead with first question. It says, United Nations Development Program, mind it. If you look at this question, you'll find it very important yourself. You'll be able to find it out that the question is important. United Nations Development Program publishes Human Development Index. Did I tell you indirectly who prepares the index? If any index or report is there, there are 2-3 things that you have to learn always. The first one, United Nations Development Program made it, yes. India's rank 130th, and who remained on top? Iceland. Here, I've mentioned the names of top 3. So it's better to learn the names of top 3. So first is Iceland, second is Norway, third is Switzerland. So these countries, to be very frank with you, they remain on top. You know that. At times they interchange their positions, but you have to learn the names very carefully. The first one is important. First is Iceland. As far as I can recall, around 193 countries are there. India is at 130th. Many factors, are kept into account when you place a country on Human Development Index. As the word states, development is in the mind. So India is far behind. It's far behind, actually. Let me tell you that clearly. The rank is 130th. So out of 193 countries, India is at 130th number. So Human Development Index published by United Nations Development Program, India's rank is 130th. First number is of Iceland. So these are the 3 questions from one pointer that you have to obtain and write. If you cannot write these questions, you can join our Telegram channel. There you will be getting all those questions. Of course, every day you will be getting current affairs there. So it's better to join, that channel also. It's a new channel. The link is there in the description box. Otherwise, you can comment. You can ask for the link and we'll be sending you that link of Telegram channel. So you can do that as well. But please write it down. If you cannot write, do join our channel. Booker Prize is the question which is there in the exam, which is asked in the exam. You know that for sure. So Booker Prize. It was given to Banu Mushtaq. Banu Mushtaq is like a Kannada writer. He's quite famous. So the name of, his short story collection is Heart Lamp. As you know, the name is quite pleasant. If you have the habit of reading, do read it. Heart Lamp got Booker Prize for the year 2025. So I'm saying it is something very important. Keep that in mind. I'll repeat. I said Booker Prize for the year 2025 was given to Banu Mushtaq. He's a Kannada writer and the name of his short story collection is Heart Lamp, right? The question can be modified, asked in various manners, but it is one pointer that you have to learn, right? Next question. Third, United Nations Ocean Conference. If somebody says UNOC3, would you understand what they are saying? United Nations, Ocean. We are referring to the conference here, which is taking place the third time. That is why 3 is there. So United Nations Ocean Conference to be held in. It is not Nice, please. It is Nice. The city which is in France, that is Nice. So Nice, France is the place where this third ocean conference will take place. As it is of United Nations, that is where the question is significant. Don't skip this question. United Nations reduces India's growth rate, 6.3. What it was earlier, you need not learn that. You will get confused. Please don't focus on such things. 6.3 is what they are, projecting now. When World Bank is projecting, when RBI itself is projecting some growth for the country, it is important. But here it is even more important because it is United Nations, right? So United Nations has reduced India's growth, keeping trade contradictions in mind, like what is happening these days in trade, you know that. So international trade market, it is like, everybody is suffering, every country is suffering. But anyway, United Nations reduces India's growth to 6.3%. Four Pulitzer Prizes, like for 2025, 4 Pulitzer Prizes were given to the New York Times. You will not be able to learn more, details about this question, but there are a few things which I've mentioned in this particular pointer, like the category international reporting, like the category breaking news photography. So such categories are there in which the New York Times stood out and they got this award. So Pulitzer is very important, you know that. So it is basically international news. That is why I'm trying to cover all the questions like which happened internationally. Somewhere they are related to, our country as well. That is why I'm highlighting those pointers even more. Let me give you one more example. But let's revise first. United Nations Development Program, Human Development Index. India's rank 130th. First number Iceland. Booker Prize to Banu Mushtaq for his short story collection Heart Lamp. He's a Kannada writer. Ocean Conference, third number, Nice, France. United Nations reduces India's growth to 6.3%. 4 Pulitzer Prize for the New York Times. Yes, I'm referring to the journal, I'm referring to the newspaper, right? So the New York Times. So the categories can also be there. So international reporting and breaking news photography. So the names of the categories can be there. If possible, do search it on the internet. If possible, if you can actually comment in the comment box, what are the 2 remaining categories? Try to read a little bit more about this, and if you can learn a few more things, do that. But I want you to just learn, not the name of Doug Mills or other names like these. They are not important for you. Only the categories are significant. If you can mention in the comment box what are the rest 2 categories, do write it down. If you surf, if you check on your own, the question is going to stick to your brains forever. Yes. So put in some effort. Please do that. Let's move on to the next state. So the first question is about India successfully test indigenous anti-drone system. Yes, so anti-drone system, everything related with drone these days is quite important, and I must say that it is quite forward also. See, because when you are able to see the enemy from quite far with the drone, such things can be possible. So anti-drone system, Bhargav Shastra, because of the name it is important, and it is indigenously done. It was made by India itself. So we are saying India successfully test indigenous anti-drone system, Bhargav Shastra. Please, somewhere around Odisha, it was done. Important question, learn that. 58 numbers, Gyanpith Award, right? You may call it Jananpith Award, does not make any difference. I am saying Gyanpith is important. Whenever it is given to anybody, it is important. You have to learn the name carefully. Gulzar, Urdu poet, you may have seen him a lot. You may have heard him a lot. So Urdu poet Gulzar and Jagat Guru, Ramabhadracharya, and he's basically a Sanskrit scholar, very, very important person and personality in Hindu religion. So we are saying Jagat Guru Ramabhadracharya, he's basically a Sanskrit scholar. So these 2 people received 58 numbers Gyanpith Award. The next question. India to launch its first manned mission. First of all, try to understand the meaning here. One is deep ocean, that is why it is Samudrayan. Person will be the part. Man will go in this mission. Every time when you send some submarine there, like down there, so Samudrayan, it does not carry any human. So we are saying this time a human will be sent till 2026. This ambitious program will also be completed. The same thing is happening here with Gaganyaan also. So we are saying in 2027 we will be able to send human in space also. So India's first human space mission to be launched in 27. So they are saying they are planning. I'll tell you what happens is they both are manned in a way. First human space mission, first manned deep ocean mission. One is Samudrayan because Samudra is ocean, of course, so it is Samudrayan. Gaganyaan, Gagan sky, that is why a space mission. So I hope you will be able to relate that. Here 2027 they'll launch it, and we are saying by 2026 they'll be sending a manned mission, right? There in an ocean as well. So one question that we have missed in between because they were relevant, 1 year extension to Praveen Sood. It is not Sonu Sood, it is Praveen Sood. So that he is basically the CBI director. So he has given the extension of 1 more year. This is May 2025. So till May 2026, he'll be the CBI director. He'll remain as CBI director if he doesn't get further extension. Center doubles credit guarantee cap under credit guarantee scheme for startups. Do you get the meaning of CGSS? So CGSS is credit guarantee scheme for startups, right? So earlier it was 10 crores, that it got doubled to 20 crores. It is silly to learn that way. You'll get confused. Just learn it this way, that the loan will be provided to startups by the government itself under this particular scheme, and the amount maximum they can go up to 20 crores loan, right? Let me make you revise all that. India successfully test fires or test anti-drone system Bhargav Shastra. See, I'll tell you. What happens is they can give you the name of Bhargav Shastra, just that. and they'll ask you what is it. You have to respond that what it is. You have to respond it in a way where you'll be able to explain that Bhargav Shastra is basically an indigenous anti-drone system. The second one is Gyanpith Award to Gulzar and Jagat Guru Ram Bhadracharya. He is an Urdu poet and we are talking about Ram Bhadracharya, Sanskrit scholar. So 58 numbers Gyanpith Award. India to launch first man mission, deep sea, deep ocean mission. It is Samudrayan by 26. 27, human space mission Gaganyaan. It is also manned mission. 1 year extension to Praveen Sood as a CBI director. Center doubles credit guarantee for startups to 20 crores. Let's move on to the next question. See, if you are planning to, join somewhere, we'll help you in all possible manners. You can join us as well. So online.vidyaguru.in is the website where you can go and check our courses. If you are comfortable with the language, English language. See, this session is for everybody, whosoever is able to understand the language. English courses are there, bilingual courses are there. So whichever course is comfortable, you can join us. Online.vidyaguru.in. So we provide, live classes, we provide video course, we provide hard copy study material as well. So it is up to you, but whatever course is comfortable, you can do that. If you are unable to select the course on your own, the numbers are given below. You can dial these numbers and connect with any executive. They'll help you in selecting the better course for you, right? Let's move on to this particular thing. State news here. A state to join India's first interstate cheetah conservation. See, of course, we are willing to protect cheetahs, right? So MP is being joined by Rajasthan now. So MP is the part of it. Cheetah conservation program, part MP, not the entire government. I should not speak like that. So I'm saying if Kuno National Park is there, if multiple parks are there, they are saying that cheetahs will be there, they'll be conserved and they'll be protected here, they'll remain protected here. That's how they are offering. So Rajasthan has also become the interstate. Read the words carefully. So I hope you understand the meaning. First state, I am saying a state, one more state to join with Madhya Pradesh is Rajasthan. This RJ is Rajasthan to be the part of cheetah conservation. World FinTech Summit to take place in Bengaluru. World FinTech Summit. This sort of question is generally avoided by students, but such questions are asked. So please stay focused. World, the word is important. So World FinTech Summit took place in Bengaluru. Khelo India Youth Games. So after you have heard about, youth games and winter games and Khelo India, many such games are there like Khelo India Youth Games, University Games. Please, after, this Khelo India franchise has come up with Khelo India Beach Games also. So sometime later they'll come up with Khelo India Nursery Games also. So you have to learn them as well. Why? Because it is the Khelo India franchise. Khelo India, the name is important. Whatever is associated with them, even if nursery or primary games, you have to learn that as well. Anyway, that was, jokes apart. Khelo India Youth Games 2025, a state topped, with 158 medals. You need not learn the names of number of medals. Maharashtra is the state which topped in Khelo India Youth Games. That is it. India's first artificial intelligence, because we are doing a lot, on artificial intelligence. We are trying to at least, I don't know what they know and what they are not aware of, but still they are trying. So artificial intelligence, data center park, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Let me make you revise all this. India's first artificial intelligence data center park has been inaugurated in Chhattisgarh, Raipur. The CM was there, himself was there. First Indian state to launch AI based. Yes, so we are working a lot on AI. So MP, UP, all are participating. Here we are saying AI based real time forest alert system by Madhya Pradesh. But AI based, right? So Madhya Pradesh. Khelo India Beach Games. So beach is required, for the beach games. It cannot be that in New Delhi beach games are taking place where they'll conduct it. So Diu, Daman and Diu, that Diu. So Diu is the place where beach games will be, taking place. Anyway, and first time it was happening, that is why the question is significant. Keep that in mind. Let me make you revise all that. A state to join India's first interstate cheetah conservation program along with Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. World FinTech Summit, Bengaluru. Khelo India Youth Games, Maharashtra topped it. India's first artificial intelligence central park, data center park, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. And real-time forest alert system through AI, MP. First Khelo India Beach Games will take place in Diu. The next set of questions on your screen now. As you can see that this question does not have any category. Like they are not from a category, so I have named them as miscellaneous because the questions are significant, you have to learn them. Whatever category is, Ramanujan. Journey of a great mathematician. Journey of a great mathematician. You are aware of the name, I know that. So Ramanujan is the name of a mathematician from India, great mathematician, from India. So National Archives, see if any organization publishes it, if any publishing house publishes it, or if a writer is behind it, does not matter, just learn the name associated. So Ramanujan book, Journey of a Great Mathematician book published by National Archives. Revenue Secretary, Finance Ministry. So Finance Ministry's Revenue Secretary is Arvind Srivastava. Learn the name carefully. So Revenue Secretary in Finance Ministry is Arvind Srivastava. It is quite important for you. Vice Chief of the Indian Air Force. See, when we refer to such a thing like Air Marshal Narmadeshwar Tiwari has, taken the position of Vice Chief. If you know, Air Force, Indian Air Force is important for us. We are saying whosoever takes the position here, because nowadays things are quite relevant for you and for your exam prep. Try to learn their names because that's even more significant now. I am saying Air Marshal Narmadeshwar Tiwari has become Vice Chief of Indian Air Force now, right? The next question. New Chairman of National Security Advisory Board, Alok Joshi. Alok Joshi has become NSA board, right? So National Security Advisory Board's new chairman is Alok Joshi. I hope you will be able to relate. FIFA Women's World Cup. See, even the World Cup which will take place in 2027, how does it even matter? They have announced the place. It is Brazil. So you must know that. This question was taught by me way back. Also, but this question is significant, that is why I am highlighting it again because it was in conversation once again. So when something is in conversation, it can be there in your exam. So Brazil is the place. FIFA Women's World Cup 27 will take place there. So Brazil will be the host. A World Snooker Championship. For the very first time, a Chinese player won that snooker championship and he is Zhao. So please understand that it is important for you. Please, snooker championship for the very first time won by a Chinese player. Zhao is the name of this player. Chancellor of Germany. I hope you understand that. If it is Friedrich Merz, if you learn the name of a prime minister or a president of a country, you know that it is equivalent to that only. We are referring to Chancellor of Germany. It is almost like prime minister or president of the country who have the power. Are you able to recall the name of Angela Merkel? Germany's Angela Merkel for a very long time. I've taught you that. So Angela Merkel once again. So it was like that. So Chancellor is almost the prime minister or president of the country in Germany. So the name of the person is that important. Although the question is the last one, but still it is that important. Friedrich Merz. That's the name of this person. Let's revise. Ramanujan by National Archives. Revenue Secretary, Finance Ministry, Arvind Srivastava. Vice Chief of Air Force, Indian Air Force, Narmadeshwar Tiwari. Chairman of National Security Advisory Board, Alok Joshi. FIFA Women's World Cup will take place in 2027 in FIFA is football, right? So will take place in Brazil. So Brazil will host that because Brazil was deciding like what all places will be there where FIFA World Cup will take place. So that is why it was in news. So snooker World Championship won by Zhao, Chinese player, for the first time it was happening. Chancellor of Germany, Friedrich Merz. Try to focus on what I'm teaching you, and at this normal pace, I understand that it takes more time, but still you'll be able to retain the question. It's not about reading, it's about learning, right? So do focus on what I'm teaching you. International Labour Day. You all know it is celebrated on 1st May. So that was not that significant. Theme is important. Safety and health of workers. Safety and health of workers, appropriately chosen theme. So safety and health of workers is like the theme for this year's International Labour Day. National Dengue Day. Not dengue. You know that. National Dengue Day. 16th May. National Dengue Day is observed on 16th May. International Day of the Mission. International Day of the Midwife. So these are the women who help, other women when they are about to deliver a child. So at the time of crisis, they are there. So their role is quite important, you know that. So International Day of the Midwife on 5th May. Theme was important. So midwives critical in every crisis. They are important, of course. Midwives are important. We know that. So midwives critical in every crisis. That's the theme. World Athletics Day is celebrated on 7th May. Border Roads Organization Raising Day, 7th May. So it is at BRO, you know. So BRO, Border Roads Organization Raising Day, celebrated on 7th May. 2. Let's revise all that. International Labour Day, 1st May, safety and health of workers, that's the theme. National Dengue Day, so it is international, the one is national. 16th May, 5th May, Midwives Day, but that is international. Athletics Day, 7th May, BRO Raising Day, that is also 7th May. So I hope I made myself clear and I was able to, make you understand everything, whatever I was teaching. If I could, you have the option of pressing like button, do that, and thank you so much for watching.